Steps on adding a new course. In creating a new course in your learning management system, make sure that your role is an administrator, manager, or a course creator. In your LMS dashboard, go to the site administration. After that, locate the word courses. After that, click the word add a new course. In adding a new course, make sure to fill up the following information. First, the course full name. For example, English 7. Course short name. What would be the short name of your given course? Course category. In what category your given course should be located? After filling up the information above, you could also upload a book cover in your given course. All you have to do is to upload the file, and after clicking upload a file, choose file. Then in your given computer, locate the given picture you wanted to upload as a book cover in your given course. When you are done locating, upload this file. When you are done, save and display. As you can see, the course English 7 is already done creating.